Aaron Phypers is breaking his silence following a tense day in court and explosive allegations made by his ex-wife. Actress Denise Richards, outside the courthouse, Phypers pushed back against what he calls completely false and damaging claims. The allegations earlier this week, Denise Richards delivered an emotional testimony, alleging incidents of verbal and emotional abuse. During her marriage to Phypers, her statements came as part of an ongoing legal battle, involving financial matters and personal disputes between the former couple. Sources inside the courtroom described Denise as visibly shaken as she recounted their past relationship, sharing tears as she detailed moments she claimed were toxic and controlling. Aaron, however, strongly denies all of it when asked to respond to the allegations. He dismissed them outright, calling the claims bulls ***T. They're totally false, Phypers said firmly, maintaining his composure before cameras. I know the truth, and I stand by it. The money disputes. Another point of contention between the former spouses is financial, specifically revenue from Denise's OnlyFans account. Court documents reportedly reference disputes over photos, licensing, and what Phypers claims are shared intellectual property. But when questioned about whether he believes he's owed any portion of her OnlyFans earnings, Phypers chose not to elaborate. That's not for this hearing, he said, declining to discuss the topic further. The financial disagreement is expected to be reviewed separately, with legal teams on both sides preparing additional filings related to income and content ownership. An emotional day in court. The courtroom atmosphere on the previous day was intense and emotional, observers say. Denise became tearful several times while testifying about her former marriage, describing her years with Aaron as painful and confusing. Phypers, in turn, remained stoic, reportedly taking notes and conferring quietly with his legal counsel. When asked how he felt about Denise's testimony, his response was calm but guarded. We'll find out today how everything went, he said. It's in the court's hands now. A complicated love story. Aaron and Denise married in 2018, blending their families and often appearing united in public. Their relationship played out in the spotlight, from reality television appearances to red carpet events, and at times, their bond seemed unshakable. But behind the scenes, tension was reportedly building. By 2023, the couple had quietly separated, leading to months of private negotiations that have now become public courtroom drama. When asked if he still has love for his ex-wife, Phypers didn't hesitate. I'll always love her, he said softly. I want her to have the best. But right now, I just need to look after myself and my family. It was one of the few moments he allowed emotion to show, a reminder that despite the legal battles, there's still a shared history between them. Looking ahead as for what comes next, Phypers says he's hopeful for closure and mutual peace. I just want everyone to live civilly and move on with life, he said. Court is expected to issue rulings in the coming weeks on both the financial and personal aspects of the case. For now, both parties are staying mostly silent, allowing the legal process to unfold. The former couple's story, once a Hollywood romance, has now become a cautionary tale of love, fame, and fallout. And as the court continues to examine both sides, one thing is clear: Aaron Phypers and Denise Richards are each fighting to tell their own truth.